What's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's nephew. You already know what it is. All right, so we're getting ready to have a big fun day today. Getting ready to deal with some cars and coffee. All right, guys. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. It's gonna get real fun and ugly.
Look at this yellow McLaren, it's just fire. And after this, so we gonna head on up to this Scottsdale Cars and Coffee. This is basically in the luxury circle. There's a lot of people here too, so this is gonna be real nice. Actually, it's really nice out right now. It's pretty much in the 90s, like 80s, like low 80s. It's gonna be 90s. Probably by the time we get to later in the day, it's probably gonna be up a lot hotter and a lot hotter. Look at these cars right here, man. They got them all like. So I parked in the parking garage right here. It's my car right here, and I got like, I haven't really upgraded my car yet, so I'm not gonna be in the show with mine. But
yeah, buddy, look at them cars. There we go. We're gonna head over to the car show right now. We got some tricked out whips right here in the garage right here.
So I know you're probably wondering, like, why is he uploading car videos on the trading channel? Well, you know, I'm a trader and my hobby is cars. I love cars. I always love cars. One of the reasons why I even got into trading is I want to be able to afford my favorite type of car, and it's the only way I knew how I was ever going to afford it. So if you're on this channel, new to this channel, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you smash that like button. Leave a comment below, man. Let me know what your favorite car is. Well, I love cars. It's my favorite thing. And definitely one of the reasons like motivated me to get into trading, because I could never understand how do you afford cars that cost this much money. So I had to get into trading, had to get into figuring out how to make more money, how to earn more money, and that's basically what this channel is about. For you millennials out there that's trying to figure out how to get your money up, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Right here is that McLaren Senna. This mug is super sick. Costs over $1 million, so kind of hard to find these on the road. I'm so glad I was able to get footage of this. So glad. All right, guys. So you know, ever since the beginning of this year, COVID, I started out with $75. We traded all the way up to 100K. So I'm real stoked right now. Feeling real good, and you know. You follow my channel, you already know we're gonna be posting a lot more trading videos, a lot more stuff to show you how to do it if you want to get down with it. I'm basically out here trying to figure out what kind of car I want to buy in the future, you know what I'm saying? So just wanted to make sure you guys can see what type of way they living out here. Man, they living real good, man. We're trying to get this money. My next target is I gotta try to get from 100K to 200K. I'm gonna try to do that by scaling up, but we're gonna scale up by removing, you know, we're gonna remove 75,000 from the trading account and just start with the 25 and try to trade our way back up to 100K and do that a couple more times.
at those beauties. Look at those beauties. What's going on, man? Hanging out with my boy Ryan right there. He's down there filming and shit. So this is what happens when you get your money up. They're day traded so you can get these cars. Say something to it.
What up, vlog? How's it going, guys? Pretty color.
That shit's sick, man. Alright guys, that's it for the rest of the car show. I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about these cars, man. Hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, peace.